Santa Cruz on the boardwalk. It is so cool around here, guys. There's a whole bunch of rides. We're not going on any rides today, but we are going down to the beach to eat our lunch. But here is the view of what the pier looks like. So cool. I really would love to go on the long ride, but here, so many cool things. Palm trees. We're going to the beach to eat our lunch. Here's my food. Looks so good. I'm so excited to devour this, and we got a whole thing of fries too. I will stay at the beach later. We made it to the beach. It's so pretty. Look. Ooh. So amazing. It's so nice and cool here too, because California was super, super hot and we were dying, but now it is nice and cool and I love it. This is so pretty. And here's another view of the pier. So pretty. Brother and my stepdad out on the beach. Woo! Ready? It's so cold. The waves are so big here. Here comes the I just got wet. Hey guys, so we are in San Francisco right now. We're just passing through, but last night we went and visited my uncle. I haven't seen him since I was 14. Can you believe it? And I'm 20. So that was really fun to see him. Sorry I didn't vlog it. I just didn't really want to and didn't want to really put their camera in their face, so I just kind of left it. But now we are about to cross over the Golden Gate Bridge and my brother wants to say hello.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Yeah? He's having a fun time, but I will definitely vlog when we're going over the Golden Gate Bridge.
You wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause what's your mind,
There's no going back.
Hey guys, we made it to the Redwoods. It is beautiful out here. It's gorgeous. We're just in the woods. Just look at this moment right now and enjoy it. But
That's not even.
we are about to drive through a giant tree, and I am super excited because we did this before, but it was like totally dark out and nobody was here. So it's gonna be nice to see it in the daytime. Guys, this is so pretty. Look at how tall those trees go. We're gonna even see some taller ones later, but I just wanted to show you guys this gorgeous, beautiful woods. Let's just stay silent for a moment and enjoy this. There it is, guys, going through a tree. We're almost there! Hooray! Here we go, guys. This is gonna be so cool! We are going through a tree. How cool is this? This is amazing. Oh my gosh, look guys.
No spitting.
So amazing.
No, no.
Okay, we're ready now. Wow guys, I'm in the Redwood Forest. called the Avenue of Giants, and these trees are absolutely amazing. So I just want to take a minute and have a moment of silence so we look at these beautiful trees together. Wow, look at how tall they go. They're so high. And then they're so thick too, especially this one right here. Look at how thick that is. All these ones. They're so pretty. It's really gorgeous. I hope you guys can feel the beauty through the camera, because it's just so amazing. And if you guys have a chance to go visit this place, I highly recommend it because it's absolutely cool, amazing, and just take a nice fun road trip because it's fun. Even though it can be a pain in the butt sometimes, it's still really cool. But guys, look at this awesome tree. This is amazing. It's got like big knots in it. It's so cool. Look at how cool this tree is. Wow. It like kind of looks like a face. Like a big, I don't know, like you could see some sort of face inside there. Like there's the nose and then the lips and then just some kind of hand just grabbing it or something like that. But I think, let me know if you can see something in there. See a face or a creature or something, because I think you could see something definitely in here. But look at this stump, you guys. People have carved things into it. This is really cool, even though it's kind of sad, but I just think it's really cool because you can come back here and look at all the different things that people have left in the woods. It's really, really cool. But we're in a half a stump, so there's one stump over here, and then there's another stump over here. Super cool. This tree is so big.
It's like you can't even see it. Well, how big around is it when you're up against it? You can't know how big it is.
I caught one. I caught one.
You found one.
It was in a tree.
You found one.
It was. I caught another lizard.
Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Dude, I told you.
Amazing.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
So big around. This is what I look like next to this tree.
Show me.
I mean, this is gigantic. This is amazing. Nature is so cool sometimes when you just see things that are just 3,000 years old. That's amazing. Guys, there's like a cave in here.
Get your big one.
I need like a flashlight or something.
Oh
Does anyone have a flashlight?
I
I need a flashlight.
got some night vision goggles.
My brother
right
doesn't want to
here.
go in this cave.
Well, right here. Nothing can happen to you.
Scared. Oh, it might be something. It might be like a big monster in there. We don't know.
There's no monsters in there.
There might be something. What do you think's in there? Why don't you go in there? Let's go.
Keep on.
He's scared. He's chicken, guys. Is he gonna make it?
Just watch out for the dead rubber trees.
There might be some dead rubber trees in there. We don't know.
Go in there.
It's finally getting the courage to go in. Can he make it?
Oh my god.
Will he get there?
Dark.
Oh my goodness. He made it inside the tree, guys. This is amazing. Oh my word. This is crazy. Wow, what is it like in there? Is it scary?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh
It's
no.
dark over there.
Well, like it's a tree. It's a big tree inside. You're inside a tree, buddy. That's awesome. And creepy at the same time. I mean, I don't know.
Is that your flash?
Nope. That wasn't me.
Oh. Oh, you broke my camera.
Oh, wow.
I did.
Okay.
No, it's just like.
Can he make it back out? Oh, he did it. High five, buddy. Yeah. Guys, I've come to a tree where it's like this. And it's really low to the ground, so let's see if I can go under it. I think I can. Just barely. Wow. It's like a little bridge if you're on top of it. That's super cool. This is amazing. A family under the tree. They can all make it, so it's not too short. It's just the right size. We made it. We walked around the redwoods. It was really beautiful. And now we have gone back to the car. How did you like it?
I liked it.
Was it cool? He got to go inside a tree. That was super awesome, huh?
And I got to catch a lizard, but he bit me.
Yeah, I didn't show that. I should have, but I just didn't get my camera out fast enough. I know you can't see me right now, but we're having a hysterical time in the car. My mom can't find this yurt.
You were with me, Jasmine.
I know. I was with her, but we couldn't find this yurt that we were supposed to stay at, so we're just wandering around in circles. It's freaking dark. It's really dark
We're
outside.
all gonna sleep in the car.
So we decided to sleep in the car because there's nothing that we can't find this yurt.
About the raccoon.
We drove all this.
Oh yeah, and there's a raccoon that lives in this yurt, and we don't know. We have to bang on a stick every time the raccoon tries to get in the house, and it's not.
What's wrong with you people?
I didn't want to sleep in a yurt that has a raccoon in it, so I just thought you'd screw up sleep in the car. So we're just trying to find this yurt. We were freaking lost, but I thought I had to vlog this because we're crazy people.
What's wrong with you freaking people?
So we're
You
just
can't
like
even find me and you know where it is.
Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I love you all, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.